In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload YouTube Shorts on your PC. So over on my desktop here, I've got this video that I'm going to be uploading as my YouTube short. Now it's super important that you make sure the video you're uploading is in portrait format. So the exact dimensions of this is 608 by 1080. If you try to upload a regular landscape video, then YouTube is not going to recognize this as a short video. So once you've ensured your video's the correct dimensions, we can head over to an internet browser and just launch up the YouTube website. From the top right hand side, come over to Create, click on Upload Video, click on Select Files, and then just locate the video that you have saved on your computer. So once you get to this screen, you can tell if YouTube have recognized this by a short. If you come down to the thumbnail section here, if you get this message saying you can change the thumbnail in the YouTube mobile app, this basically just means that YouTube has detected this video as a short. So all you need to do is scroll back up to the top, and we're going to first enter a title for our video. Of course, you can add hashtags and things like that also in your title here. Then head over to the description and also write a short description for your video. You don't want to make this too long, as it will only be the first few lines that are going to be visible. Then you can scroll down to the bottom and just decide whether your video is made for children or not. For most of you, you're just going to select no, it's not made for kids, and press next. A great feature here is this video elements and add related video. So if we go ahead and press add next to this, you can add a related video so it will start playing at the end of your short, which is a good way to keep retention. So if you do have any previous shorts here, I'd recommend selecting one, then go ahead and press next, click on next once again, and then finally you'll need to set the visibility to public so people will be able to see your video. Alternatively, you can also come down to schedule here and we can set this to premiere at a certain time. But if you just want to publish your video straight away, then we can just come back to save or publish and then go ahead and press the publish button. Another thing to note is that if you did want to edit the thumbnail of this video, the only way to do that would be to go through the steps that I've just explained, and then when you get to this window, rather than pressing publish here, we're just going to press the X button, and then what you would need to do is download the YouTube Creator Studio on your mobile phone, and then you'll be able to upload a thumbnail directly from there. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.